Very good afternoon to all. I am Ankush Sharma, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus. So here we will discuss about induced EMF. So what is induced EMF? When a flux linking with a conductor or coil changes, an EMF is induced in it, and this change in flux linkages can be obtained in the following two ways. So first one is dynamically induced EMF and second one is statically induced EMF. So we will discuss one by one what is dynamically induced EMF and what is statically induced EMF. So first of all we will discuss about dynamically induced EMF. So by either moving the conductor and keeping the magnetic field system stationary, or moving the magnetic field system and keeping the conductor stationary in such a way that conductor cuts across the magnetic field, the EMF induced in this way is called dynamically induced EMF. For example, here a coil and a magnet. So here this is the magnet, north pole and south pole. There is no electrical connection between these two. Now these are the number of turns through which a galvanometer is connected here. For example, this is the coil, number of turns, and this is the galvanometer is connected here, and this is the magnet, north and south pole, and these are the magnetic lines of force. So there is no electrical connection between this magnet and this coil, but EMF will induce in this coil when we will moving this magnet nearer to the coil or away from the coil. Then this galvanometer will show some deflection. So EMF will induced in this coil. This is called a dynamically induced EMF. Now what is statically induced EMF? So statically induced EMF, by changing the flux linking with the coil or conductor without moving either coil or field system. However, the change of flux produced by the field system linking with the coil is obtained by changing the current in the field system, as in transformer. The EMF induced in this way is called statically induced EMF. So such type of EMF, induced EMF, will occur in transformer. For example, this is the transformer in which there is no moving part or rotating part. So here the number of primary windings are wound on primary side and secondary winding. So when a voltage will apply across primary winding of the circuit or transformer, then current will flow across the primary winding. Then flux will set up in the core of the transformer, say phi, and this flux will link with the secondary winding of the transformer, and this flux is called mutually induced EMF. This is the type of statically induced EMF, and here is self-induced EMF will occur, or a self EMF will induced here, and this self-induced EMF is another type of statically induced EMF. So such type of EMF will induced in transformer, in which here by changing the flux linking with the coil without moving either coil or field system. However, the change of flux produced by the field system linking with the coil is obtained by changing the current in the field.